Edward cracks a nut. Edward the Blue Engine had had a busy day, and as he stopped at the last station before the junction, he was looking forward to getting home. "Peep, peep! Get in quickly, please," he whistled to the passengers. The passengers got in quickly, and Edward's driver pulled the lever. But Edward found that he couldn't move. The driver clambered down and checked Edward's brakes, but he couldn't find anything wrong. Whatever can be the matter, he wondered. He gave Edward more steam, and this time he started. But Edward went only a little way before he stopped with a groan. "It's no good," the driver said to the fireman. "Something's holding us back, Sid. Go and see if the guard can help, please." The fireman jumped down to the platform and ran along to the guard's van. "What's wrong?" demanded the guard. "Why haven't we left?" "We reckon the brakes have sized on," said the fireman. "Are yours off all right?" "It should be," replied the guard. He reached for the handle and tried to turn it, but it wouldn't move. The fireman helped, but even together they still couldn't turn it. So they called the driver, but even with three it made no difference. The brake handle was stuck fast. The driver sighed. He was very worried. "If we don't start soon, we'll miss Henry at the junction. Let's give Edward everything he's got and hope for the best." "It'll be hard work," he told Edward, "but I'm sure you'll do your best." Edward doubtfully agreed. "I'll try, sir." "Come on! Come on! Come on!" he puffed fiercely. With smoke and steam pouring from his funnel, the train slowly moved after him. Once they were moving, things became easier. But no matter how hard he tried, Edward found that he couldn't pick up much speed. Oh dear, he groaned. "We're sure to miss Henry's train." Then with a sudden jerk, everything became easier, and Edward began to pick up a brisk pace. They reached the junction quickly, and while the passengers travelled to Henry's train, Edward's fireman went to find out what had been wrong with the guard's brake. "One tiny nut," he told them when he came back. It broke and jammed itself against the brake so he couldn't turn the handle. Then after we started, the brake itself broke so that we could move properly. The driver laughed. "Come on, Edward," he said. "Let's get that guard's van into a siding where it can be mended." Who would have thought one small nut could cause so much trouble?